Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. In this video I'll show you guys how you can restore permanently deleted email on Outlook. This method works regardless if you are using a standard Outlook email from Microsoft or if you are using an Outlook account from your company. So if you delete one email from your inbox, normally this email will go over deleted items. So we just click over deleted items here and we can see that the email is on the deleted items, and in order to restore this to inbox, we just click over it with the right of the mouse and then we go at this option here, move, and then we select inbox. And let's go back to inbox. The email is back to my inbox and it is restored from deleted items. But this is very easy. So basically we just have deleted this email and right away we went to deleted items and we restore it. But the problem is when this email is permanently deleted also from your deleted items. Because normally if you have deleted an email, that email will stay on deleted items folder for 30 days and then it will permanently be deleted from your deleted items. But there is a way how we can restore even after your email is deleted from the folder deleted items. And that method is by going again over the folder deleted items here, and then we can click over this link here which says recover items recently removed from this folder. So we click over this link, recover items recently removed, and now it will pop up this window which will show the emails that I have permanently deleted from my deleted items folder. But the bad side of this is that here will be only emails that are deleted only in the last 30 days. And the official reference is from Microsoft, where we can see here that items removed from your deleted items folder are recoverable for 30 days. So only if you have deleted the email in the last 30 days from your deleted items, then you can restore it. So, for example, let's suppose that I want to restore this email with the title important. So I just select that email and then I click here restore selected items, and then we press over OK, and let's see. So here it is, my email, which is restored on my deleted items. And if you want to restore this email on your inbox, we do the same. So we click over it with the right of the mouse and then we choose move and then we select inbox. So once again, so we just click over recover items recently removed from this folder, and now we can select the email that we want to restore. The same thing you can do also with Outlook web version. So you just open your Outlook web version, regardless if you are using Outlook.com or if you are using your company email. Then you select from the options on the left deleted items, and as we can see here, it will show this link which is saying recover items deleted from this folder. So we click over here and now it will show all the emails that are deleted in the last 30 days. And if you want to restore it, so we just select the email that we want to restore. So let's suppose I want these two emails to restore, and then it will pop up on the right this options, which is one of them is delete, which will delete permanently also from this recoverable items folder. But in this case, I want to restore them, so I just click over restore, and those email that we just restored will go on the inbox folder right away. So basically those are two methods how we can restore emails which are permanently deleted on your Outlook account. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.